Hey guys, in today's video we are going to teach you how to upgrade the RAM of your Acer Nitro 5 model N20C1. So if you want to learn about this, keep watching. Welcome back guys. So this particular model comes with an 8GB RAM. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to add an extra 16GB RAM to it. Then we'll take it up to 24. So all you just need is your Allen keys, and we switch this backwards. Now the reason I have this mouse pad for the Nitros here is so that I don't get scratches on the laptop. You don't want scratches on your new laptop, so stay close. Alright, so we're using this star-shaped screw, and what we do is we open everything. We're just losing everything, so I have that out. Down the next one also. So this is where we put this guy. Now the next thing for you to do is put it in like this. It's like a slider, but you might feel like you want to break it. All you just have to do is press it down and it clips. Alright, so that is how to change or how to add an additional gig to your system. So we had the initial 8GB, 16, that makes this laptop 24. So we're going to switch it on and show you so you see it for yourself that it actually works. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment in the section below. We hope to see you in